So over here you can see that I am in the expert mode, and over here on the bottom you see different things like effects, filters, styles, and over here there's like layers right here and so forth. But if you want to make your workspace much more customizable, then you can go around under more option right here by clicking on the triangular icon and by clicking on custom workspace. Once you do that, you can see that everything over here hides and it is moved up right here. There's like effects, as you can see, just like this. So you can just go around and then drag this out. So let me just go around and drag it out. And you can also go around and bring out the effects, the filters, the styles, and view everything in one go, as you can see, just like this. You can also bring the layers out right here, and then you can snap it out over here on the side, just like this as well. You can go around, snap out the effects right there. You can go around and snap out the filters right here so that you can see multiple elements all at once as well, as you can see. Besides this, what you can also do with the custom workspace is you can go around under more right here and drag out these things. So you can have history right here, action over here just like this, navigation right here, and even go around and snap out the rest of the things over here just like this. So depending on what you require to be opened by using the custom workspace, you can really customize out the tools that you see right here while you're editing out the picture. And that is how you can work around with the custom workspace inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.